evening, Stan Daniels here. This is, what is this? Visual Studio Code 1632, and I'm pretty sure I'm running the most recent. So I'm going to close this window. Oh, and I closed the whole thing, so let's go back. Right, it should be loading in the background, and I'm going to create a new project. So File, New File, and create new. So I'm going to type flutter. No, actually, what I'm going to do is Control-Shift-P, flutter, new project. You can see that right there, new project, recently used. I'm going to create an application, and I'm going to call this VS Code Flutter fail, because that's what you're going to see. This is a bug report. Select the folder and enter. I'm going to call this Flutter fail, and there we go. So it's already in the process of creating it. It's all there, and lib main dart theoretically is ready, and connect a device and press F5 to start. So there's no two devices connected, so I'm going to go with Chrome Web and see what happens. F5 to start. Launching files to sync to Chrome. And nothing is happening yet. Syncing files to device to Chrome. Takes a long time. Really long time. So long that I wonder if it's not working. So long that I wonder if it's not working. Ah, okay. It was working, just working in the background. All right, so there it is. And you can see that it's empty. Refresh, nothing's there. So I close that, end that, and now you remember that I ran the application in my Chrome. So this time I'm going to run it on the web server and see if that changes anything. You can see down here, two devices connected. Web server is the app. F5 to run. Keep an eye on this. And nothing's happening yet. Oh, okay. Well, it launched my application, I think, but you can see nothing is here. So what to say? Please click the Dart debug extension in the spawned browser window. Spawned browser window, debug. I don't see a debug here. Do you see a debug? So let's go back here. I'll close that. And now if I go back to my window, and that should... Okay, so run and debug. Let's try. I'm going to go back to my... Nope. No. Oh, look at that. It's not a lot. Okay, so interesting. It's picked up something. I don't... Oh, what happened? Okay, so it's turning. I'm not quite sure where this has come from, so maybe it's picked up a different. It's picked up something else. I don't know what this is. Exit this. And let's go back to Chrome Web. I'm going to F5. Launching Maydart on Chrome in debug mode. Really slow. Really, really slow. Okay, it did something, but you can also see it didn't do anything. What is this? Oh, these are tabs. All right, so that's Visual Studio Code failing on Flutter default. Thanks for watching and happy computing.